Hello YouTube gamers! If you like playing on PlayStation but don't want to pay $200 per year for PlayStation Plus Premium, I'll show you how to get a 12-month subscription code completely for free. Let me grab my phone and show you exactly how I do this, step by step. So here I am with my phone and I'm gonna show you my screen so you can see everything in details. And let's start. All you're gonna need is your browser, and you have to look for the site. It calls enjoycoupons.com. Once you're on that website, in the search bar you have to search for PS Plus coupon code. Here it is. We have to scroll down, and here you see there are just few coupons left, so we need to hurry up. Now we have to press the show coupon button and unlock code. And we have to wait just a few seconds so the code is unlocking. So here you see we have some offers. We have to choose two offers and complete them. For instance, I'll choose this one. So I'll start from this one. So guys, I'm gonna go and do that and come back to you in a few seconds. I'm back, and now I have completed two offers. And you see here is written, after completing two offers below, type done and click submit to receive your free coupon code. Let's do it. I type here done and submit. Oh, here you see I received my personal code, and I bet you guys can do the same and receive your own personal codes. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my code. And I really do hope that this information was useful for you and you're gonna use it in future. Thank you guys for attention and see you in next videos. Bye bye!